Okay, so histograms. Instead of going over creating one, we're going to talk about how to answer questions on them, because that's what we're going to be doing more of here. So it says answer the following. They give us this histogram. Remember, the bars are going to be between the numbers, and we have to answer these questions. So the first one says, what is the frequency of the class interval 15 to 20? So they want us to look at that bar, 15 to 20, and see the frequency. Now the frequency, you look off to the left. So if we look at the bar between 15 and 20 and look over to the left, how many did we have between 15 and 20? There were 25. Okay, so that bar had 25 as the value. Okay, the next one. Oops, I'm going to move that over a little bit. Here, let's erase that. Do it again. Right here. 25. Okay, next one. What is the class interval having the greatest frequency? So when they say the greatest frequency, really they're asking which bar is the tallest. And in this case, the tallest bar was at 30, and what was the class interval there? 20 to 25. So the one that had the greatest is the tallest. We're going to move that over. So 20 to 25. Okay, next, what is the cumulative frequency of the class interval 25 to 30? Okay, so they threw that fancy word in there, but really they're just asking for the interval between 25 and 30. And what is the frequency there? 15. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put that. Sometimes they, try to trick you, but just try to see what the question's really asking. Okay, construct a short frequency table. We're not going to do that, and we're not going to do the other one either. Sometimes they might ask you what would be the frequency maybe between 25 and 40, for instance. So if they asked what would be the between 25 and 40, you'd have to add all the columns up, which this one, the column was 15. This one, the column would be, is that right back there? 10. Oops. And this one, the column would be at 5. So if they asked for the value from 25 to 40, you would add all those up. 15, 25, 30. So total would be 30. Frequency would be 30 from 25 to 40. So sometimes they might ask you more than just one bar. So be on the lookout for that as well.